Alright, here is the CyberPowerPC gaming keyboard. So the buttons are super responsive. Just feels nice. They're like extra thick, so you kind of have to really, I don't know. It just feels good. It's ergonomic. It has this nice pad here that's like slip resistant. You can change the colors with this push of the button. So if you like the colors, it's there. If you don't like the colors, you can turn them off. So that's actually really cool. It's got these extra buttons for volume control on the side here, and also over here, you know, play, mute, Internet Explorer button, all those. So it's got all the bells and whistles. Works really good. I'm super impressed with it. So thanks for watching this review, everybody, and have a great day.